First, okay. So Siddharth, first of all, congratulations and for getting placed as research analyst, right? So let us have a casual discussion so that ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಥವಾ ವೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದೇಶ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಆ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಆ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು ಆಸೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ Vtricks, okay, how Vtricks help you, number one, what exactly you got from Vtricks, right? Second thing is how did you face the problems in real time, okay, and what was the challenges you faced and how you are happy now at this moment after struggling so much, right? So ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ನ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾಶುವಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಯರ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ನನಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ Vtricks ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ
I have been actually Vtricks. I came to know one of the person who worked here earlier. His name is Manjuna. So when I approached him after my MTech, I worked in one of the MNC. Later on, I went for the civil services. So once the civil services, I couldn't clear. So I was of no clue what to do. So at that time, the data was fascinating. So when I approached him, he guided me to this. So that is one of the best suggestion what I got from him.
Very good. So Manjunath, so one of an ex-employee referred you. Okay, that's fantastic. So the first direct question to you, have you felt any regret when Vtricks join ಆದ್ನಪ್ಪ ಯಾಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದೆ?
There are things status like once the course is completed, I didn't get the job. I thought that this thing, but later on, the support from the Vtricks, especially the Gandadhar sir, Navya, and Smita, and especially you, and also the teaching faculty, non-teaching faculty. So all those mentors, they pushed me forward. No, the things that you work well, you will get the job or now. But they keep pushing on whenever I go. That push at that point of time, I needed. I felt it right now. When I look back and see now my present condition, that push was very much needed at that part of.
ಐ ಅಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ, ಡೇಟಾ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಭಯ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
I was good at coding, but I knew that data analytics needs very minimal coding, So I knew about that part. So I had my own mentality regarding the coding need to say. When I came to here, then I came to know that data analytics is not only about coding, is very minimal in that. The more part is that analytical, how you see the data, now how the word sees the data is completely different. Okay. So you will make the data to work, or you will convert the data to information using some tools. Okay. Those tools are very well. I don't know other institutions that I need by the year, but here they made ensure that those tools are engraved in your brain so well. That is what we call it muscle memory. Right, the moment you see the data, you won't look anywhere. Your mind will go that these are the steps that I need to go through. Once you follow those steps, it is like a written script kind of thing. The moment you see the data, no need to worry about data, do these steps. Okay. The moment you go, that is the way that if we do, Vtricks give the structural form. Once data is in your hand, so give the structural form, the skeleton. The flesh, bread and fish, unique feed. What all you learned in Vtricks? So Vtricks majorly I learned the Power BI, SQL. I don't say that it is basic SQL. I will say that it is intermediate and advanced SQL. So we give a little bit of effort, it will reach to the advanced SQL. And the third is Python, fantastic. And then with support from mentors, I love the SQL. MSSF, fantastic. So okay, you learn 4. One is Python, Power BI, SQL, and advanced SQL. See, usually whenever someone comes to Vtricks, right, I will be telling them that assignments are very important. Everyone feels like, why I need to do assignment?
When I go assignment, what's the use of it? First of all, came here to the youth, just teach me, I will just work. But I enforce them that if you don't do the assignment, you don't get placed. Okay. How did you feel that this assignment is important, or what is your thought on that?
Sitting in a classroom is one thing. There we get only the knowledge. So that knowledge has to get converted skill only through the assignment what you give. The assignment what you give, right, whatever the here assignments, right, they be pinpoint where you are going through the mistake. And those mistakes I did it and learned from those mistakes. Then only when I went to the interview, they asked only that part of where the students really none their concentration. Only those part they focus. Especially if I want to say pinpoint and all, when it comes to this thing, they'll ask about the latest trends in the Power BI. We will read about filters, we will read about the parameters. They will ask us what they won't ask about the difference between the filters and parameters. They will ask about which one is better according. Correct. So once you do both the things hands-on sessions, then only we come to know that parameter is better in so and so scenario. Filter is better in so and so scenario. Without those assignments, I could have not researched those years.
Thank you, sir. So, usually in Bangalore, wherever it's like people are just bluffing, telling around, we will just give you real-time projects. Okay, we give you, help. We tell you, you just join. We give 100% placement. But I'll take upfront. Okay, in Vtricks, they're going to be upfront. When we say that we will give you real-time projects, we do make sure that we are helping you on the real-time projects. Have you got an opportunity in Vtricks?
So yes, sir. I got the data around 1 million record something data I got it. So once I got data, earlier when in the classroom and all, we used to see the hardly 100 lines, 1000 lines data. We used to see the moment we see that millions together lines of data, you will get stuck. At that time, the metrics came in and they gave the structure. The structure helped me a lot, especially in the data cleaning part, how you do the data cleaning, what measures you need to take, what kind of data, what way of cleaning you need to do. Once the cleaning is done, whether it should be directly imported or we go to the data query, what kind of data query that you will do, what can be done in data query, what can be done is that through the index functions. So all those small tune-ups made me data visualization as a tool for one spot go for you, filter one.
And more importantly, people when they talk about placements, right? See, we know placements are very, very difficult, right? Everyone would have a perspective, okay? So, for your juniors, okay, what message can you convey with respect to placement? Because it's very difficult to get the placements. Everyone thinks that we just come here, we get placed, but that's not the reality, right? So, what is the patience? What is the effort they need to put? What do you convey? How they want to prepare?
People should clap with both the hands. So one hand is from the Vtricks, other hand is your effort that you put. So once classroom is done, homework is done, you cannot restrict yourself to those things. But go to the any of the websites, especially Kigali, you get the price cap data set over there. Have the domain knowledge, especially if there is no constraint that one company work on one particular domain. So you make it, if you have knowledge about the many domains, you will have the possibility for knowing. So have the domain knowledge along with the data set, how you can manipulate it on one end. Second set is that don't restrict yourself to only the data analytics where I work. Now the AI is influenced, so you will see data analytics enabled with AI. So you have brief intro on how AI can be utilized in the data analytics. That's one part. And there are academic institutions there that data analytics is very much required. So you can search over that part. So you don't restrict yourself to one area where it will go to the only MNC company, this thing. So you spread your wings, then you get surely within a maybe if not 1 month, maybe 2-3 months, definitely will end up in another job.
That's the suggestion. As Siddharth said, we must not be always mentoring like I have done the course and I want to go for MNCs. I need a very good package. That's not the thing. First, we need to get an opportunity. Just get how he has struggled. I've seen how Siddharth has struggled for months, right? He was from non-IT completely, handshakes completely non-IT, but he was an intermediate, and he did his, the VPSC exams. He didn't, but he was not able to clear. he just came out. He was planning to understand where he must go. The day they said that there is an opportunity in analytics field, provided we need to put your effort. And we know how much effort was there from his end as well. He was also in the face that, okay, I lost my UPSC, I did not get the job after the course as well, but he did not. He was trying every day and opportunities cracked. He was telling to me from past 1 month, how many opportunities you got?
Last I can say that six months I tried. I got barely 1 or 2 back to minimal state. There are no kind of only interview happened. They told that they are searching for area 1, but they interviewed for area 2. So I was frustrated very. But suddenly 3-4 offers in a span of 1 week they came in front of me.
See, that's something which we need to understand, right? So once when you have been preparing, once when you keep applying, there comes an opportunity for sure. Of course, it is there, but that's what I put Siddharth as well. It's not that you just got the job and we are leaving you, right? So wherever he wants to carry in his journey, our team is there with him for sure to understand each and every step. Wherever he has stuck technically, our team is there. But we must not lose the hopes, right? Okay, keep trying till you get the job. Vtricks is there with you, that is for sure. In any of the things, okay, it might be on job assistance, it might be on technical help, it might be on resume preparation, whatever it is. You keep in touch with us, keep visiting our organization so that you will get to know what exactly we can help you. So we club together, as he rightly said, is not one way. Both of us need to put the effort. In one or the other way, you'll be getting certain. That's something which I'm really happy about Siddharth as well. He had a lot of other stress. It's not that he just has a financial constraint. He had some family issues and other part of, but still he made sure that he put his effort. That's so everyone has to be there. Put your effort. We are there with you for sure. Okay. And more importantly, Siddharth, which subject you really enjoy to learn?
So all the subjects, sir. I will say that one, but every subject is their own role play in the data analytics. I won't say this thing, but if particularly priority wise it needs to be there, then I'll say that Power BI for sure. Cloud BI for sure. Priority order wise that comes. Power BI, then comes the Python, then the SQL.
There you go. Okay. See, more importantly, a lot of people think like when we start making some video reviews and all, right? People just make it for this case of doing marketing, okay? I'll be honest and upfront with you. Whatever Siddharth is there today, it's something which is genuinely his effort and genuinely voluntarily he told that I want to share something to my juniors. Okay, that is very easier. So everyone need to understand that when you have an opportunity, you can't actually just sit and say, electric knock the door. Okay, you need to keep searching. Okay, when you feel that there is a point where I have done my course, now I want to look for the job, come with us and start doing project work. Understand how exactly is the industry requirement. Then one or the other way you'll be the opportunity. It's not for the first interview clear. It's not happened for him as well. He didn't clear for the first interview. He attended n number of interviews. As he said, he got 4 to 5 offers within a month because he was so prepared by attending so many interviews and projects. That is what everyone has to be. Okay. So Siddharth, lastly, if I can say, what would you say for your juniors? And before going for your juniors, what exactly you want to convey about the Vtricks team? Okay.
First time when I hear you go to what is be a skilled person, opportunity to be search for. So whenever I completed if I complete Python, I come and approach to say, sir, the course regarding Python is completed. The moment you say that, I have done the assignment. So I say I get this much, last 2 things are there. So that really, sir, if you are skilled, definitely opportunity will search you. If not today, but tomorrow for sure. You will get confused with the opportunity whether to go for this opportunity or that opportunity. Today I am in that position. That's why again I came here to get this position. So what Vtricks told me once I get the job, I came here for the suggestion that how can I go with. There are multiple opportunities right now I have. Which one to choose? Again I am in confusion. So at that time sir suggested but 2-3 options here. So based on that, I narrowed down my opportunity that I will go for such opportunity. But again, he told once going there, what you need to do. Again, the Vtricks is there for me to move from the fight. So it is like once you are with the Vtricks, it's like a family kind of thing. Right, then one border in second.
Thank you so much, Smash, for your words. Actually, I would once again congratulate, thanks Siddharth. Okay, so as you know, we are with you forever. Okay, it's not that only for this opportunity. Okay, whenever you want to make sure that you can approach Vtricks, we are there with you for any of the technical thing as well for a career aspect. Wherever we feel that you're stuck and you need your help, we are there with you. Okay, and keep motivating your juniors. Okay, that's very very important, because in this time, in this present situation, everyone have been getting bluffed around thinking, because they just feel, okay, have they have put so many banners for placements, and if I go there I get placed. Okay, that's not the reality. Let us understand. Okay, placement is something a different ball game altogether. Before, what used to happen in 2020s, right? It was a mass equipment, 100 should one fresh which used to get placed all of a sudden, and that's all it has to be. But now things are totally being changed. Only niche people, only people are very clean people may get placed. How to get prepared, that is very important, and it's not to be in the crowd. No, 50 students, 20 students in that crowd. You need to keep interacting with the students, interacting with the faculties, interacting with the trainers. And as you know very well, in Vtricks, trainers are not someone who was outside from the market. They are in-house. They are a data analyst. They are a data scientist. So wherever possible, we try to give the best, or we utilized it. Okay, and in future as well, wherever you are, Mr. BTS is there with you. Wish you all the very best. And thank you.